Hey, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, grinders, shears, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Here's an oldie but a goodie. It's probably great for a small maintenance shop or a hobby shop, a garage. This is a LeBlond Regal, one of the most popular brands ever made. It's got a nice taper attachment on here. It's actually a really nice condition if you look at all the ways. Somebody took really good care of this. It looks like all original paint almost even. May have been repainted, but it's pretty clean. We'll go ahead and run this guy for you, let you hear everything. Should be a great deal for somebody out there. We've got our thread screw as well as our feed screw on the move. They are moving a little bit slow, but we'll go ahead and engage our threading. Now you can see we have longitudinal threading. Pick that out, and we have our feed on right now. We can put our feed down to our cross feed. We'll go ahead and change the speed here. The brake works well on this guy. Just put it in the middle, second stop, and you are stopped. We'll move this to the faster speed, jog it in there, real nice and smooth. Everything's working really nicely. Now I have a microphone right here. I'll be quiet just so you can hear how nice the head is. I'll be right next to it. Sounds really nice. Again, you can see we have our feeds. They're going to be much faster now. It's a great running machine, really nice and small. Has a nice chip pan on the bottom. If this is the type of machine you're looking for, you can see we have them all over the place here, all different sizes. This is some of our smaller machines. We go all the way up to 200 inches, new as well as used. Let us know how we can work together. Buy, sell, or trade. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.